and we have Gemini sir. Uh, Gemini sir, where is? Oh, there he is. So Gemini sir is with, and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi with Bharat, please come. And then one and only the world's most favorite, my most favorite music director. He's an institution. Knowing him in the last 3 years have been one of the richest experiences of my life. Not only from the music point of view, I think he is the most unbelievable storyteller, and also has a richness of heart. He's very funny, and he is a magician of music. Mr. M. Keeravani sir. Thank you. We also among us also have the presence of the film has a background of army, and a friend of mine who is General Pushkar. He's here as a friend, but thank you sir. We General Saab, we acknowledge your presence. Ashok, you are always there. Raj has sung a song. Ashok's son has sung a song. And sir, what should we do? Music do the talking. So, ladies and gentlemen, Lady Kiko Nakahara, she's not here. She called me from Japan and she said, I'm missing so much. Please give my love to everybody. Because with the subject like that, it was very important to have the crew like that who will protect Tanvi from in the film.
The man leading all of them is Hatke, of course. तो ये तो होना ही था ना सर कमाल का. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Because of course they are the people जिन्होंने ये जो अभी हमने बड़े पर्दे पे देखा उसको आप तक पहुंचाया है. And now yeah, it's your turn. So where are we getting the first question from? पीछे से जी.
Hello. Hi, this is Akash Bhatnagar from Hindustan Times. Firstly, amazing trailer. Really hits you in the heart. Shubhangi, I had the privilege to ask you the first question of your first media interaction. I'm happy I'm getting that chance again. So I really wanted to ask you that this is your first film, but you are also getting to represent a community that doesn't get that much representation on screen. So along with the pressure of being it your first film, does the pressure and the responsibility of giving authentic representation to them that people...
मेरे बच्चे पहली फिल्म है बच्ची की, पहली फिल्म में इतना खबर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस की तारीफ करो. ये ऐसे सवाल जो है मेरे से भी मत पूछो, प्यार से पूछो. हमें आपकी इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में थोड़ा सोचना है इस समय. अच्छा सा सवाल पूछो बेटा, ऐसा मत करो, मुझे डराओ मत. इसको ये 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रही मेरे से मैं सवाल पूछेंगे मैं कैसे जवाब दूंगी. You know what she used to do? She used to make all of us sit. मेरा एक मॉक इंटरव्यू करो ना प्लीज. और इन्होंने Herman, where is my Herman D'Souza? My producer, and my brother, they are all producers here. And Andy, please come. Andy, come. So हरमन की जगह उन्होंने बोला बाकी सब तो अच्छे थे मगर मुझे हनुमान जी से बहुत डर लगता है. मैंने हनुमान जी कौन है? हरमन को इन्होंने हनुमान बोल दिया. थोड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ मेरे बच्चे, मत ऐसा डरा मत.
So I just ask you, do you consider it a privilege to get that chance to kind of represent that community?
Hi Akash, and hello everybody, thank you for coming. Yes, it's more than a privilege. I think it is. I keep telling sir and everybody that I think this is my second birth. So it's a very big chance, and I'm still processing everything, every day that's happening in my life regarding the movie. I'm still processing. It's more than a dream. It is now a reality, but it's a very big privilege. And I thank God, I thank my family, and I thank Anupam sir. Thank you so much for believing in me and for actor prepares. Yes, thank you. And Herman sir also is here.
Anupam sir, आपसे पूछना था that the film has got so much love internationally already. So does that validates that the universality of the story की सब connect करें?
Komal will agree with me that the box office has to be great. You know, no, why I went abroad and sort of brought the recognition to the film, because when you make a film something like this and with the help of people like Anil और मैं जब suddenly Anil का point of view was very valid. I had made a longer film. That's why we've not decided on the OTT platform as yet. We want the audience to come on Flair, and that's why I think people over here will spread the word and audience will come in. It's important. And बाहर इसीलिए करा कि ताकि वहाँ से तारीफ मिलती है तो यहाँ के लोग बड़े impress होते हैं.